We are having a great question in our life. Why God has created these problems that we are sick, we are suffering from so many things. Many persons are poor, they don't have proper money to feed themselves. What they want, they do not have it. They do not have the sufficient power, they do not have sufficient knowledge, and they all the time feel insecure. What is the reason behind it? Who has created it? If God has created it, then why God has created like this? And how God can see suffering that human beings and animals and plants, they are suffering. If God is having eternal love, God is having all power, God is having all knowledge, then why He is not helping us to get rid of all problems? This is a very big question in our mind. The realized masters who have experienced ultimate truth that there is no distance between God and creation. Creator God is having no distance with the creation. If some persons are there to have experienced this eternal unity, they have no problem of any kind. They don't feel sickness, illness, any problem. They do not have any kind of any stress any time in their life. And they do not see any problem anywhere also. Let us imagine that person number one has experienced that there is no distance between that person and God. Then that person will not feel any problem within and around. That person will not see that anybody is suffering, or anybody is dying, or anybody is poor, or anybody is weak. A realized master never observe all these illusions anywhere within and around. But still this is very important question. But majority are experiencing this great problem, illness, sickness, weakness, poverty, so many things, insecurity in the life. What is the reason behind it? When you practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely, then today or tomorrow, or maybe for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you are tuned with the internal intuition power. Then you feel glimpse of the truth that nature of God is omniscient. He knows everything, all things. Imagine anything God knows. Then God is omnipresent. Does God know how to become limited? He is unlimited. Does he having any knowledge? Does God have any knowledge? If God is having knowledge that He is knowing everything, then God can appear in the limited form. He is omnipresence. Can He demonstrate that I can also manifest in limited space, in limited form? God is omnipotent. Can God demonstrate that I am weak also? God is immortal. God is able to demonstrate all the time that I am immortal. Can God demonstrate that I am mortal also? God is never sick. Can God demonstrate that I am sick also? Because God knows everything. He is omniscient. Then He is able to demonstrate that He is sick, He is weak, He is poor, He is having no knowledge, He is ignorance, and He is having limited place to live. His shape and size is limited. God is able to demonstrate this also. What is demonstration is manifestation of human consciousness, other animals, plants, earth and sun, all things what you see, we find they are limited. We are able to measure their dimension. This is all because nature of God is omniscient. God knows everything. Therefore God has become human beings. and demonstrating, you see, I am omnipresence, still I am able to manifest in the form of human being. Then, if I am able to manifest myself in the form of human being, I am able to feel weakness also. I am able to feel that I am ignorant also. Okay, all right. Now I know that God knows how to manifest in both ways, omnipresence and limitations, omnipotent and weak person, immortal and mortal. Does God know how to get rid of from the mortal consciousness to immortal consciousness and to hold both same time? Yes. Therefore God has become Kriya Yoga meditation. God has become Kriya Yoga meditation. When human being practice oneness with the Kriya Yoga meditation, then slowly, the all persons who are practicing sincerely, they will realize that they have two existences. One is like ocean, like infinite, and one is like a wave of the ocean. Then you will feel head to toes what we feel with this earth, with this visible universe is like a wave, and this wave is one with the omnipresence consciousness. It is only possible when we accept Kriya Yoga as presence of God. Then keep on practicing it every day with the greatest devotion. Do not try to measure that you are practicing correct or incorrect. If you have joined Kriya Yoga classes with me anywhere in India or in North America, then you should have guarantee that you have not to think that you are practicing correct or incorrect. Just flow with the public, flow with the congregation. One day you will realize this ultimate truth, that you exist in two ways, ocean and wave. You are the ocean and you are the wave. You are the burning charcoal and you are the heat. You are the ice and you are coolness of the ice. That is called self-realized state. Therefore remember, believe in reality. There is no sickness, illness, there is no pain and pleasure, there is no tiredness. Nothing exists. It is we have no love with self. We are not able to concentrate on our own self, and we do not practice complete love with the self. Therefore we feel this pain and pleasure. Through the Kriya Yoga practice we learn how to love ourselves correctly. Then one day, in one lifetime, you will realize your real nature, that you are omnipresence and you have power how to demonstrate illusion, dream, that you are limited also. You are omnipotent, but you can demonstrate dream, that you are weak also. You are all in all, but you demonstrate as a dream that you are nothing. Therefore remember, what is the conclusion? Conclusion is very clear. Practice Kriya Yoga sincerely and do not try to practice by reading a book. We can't understand it. Bible is text of Kriya Yoga. Gita is text of Kriya Yoga. Kabir's all verses, they are text of Kriya Yoga. Nanak Ji, Japji Sahab is text of Kriya Yoga. All Buddha's preaching is text of Kriya Yoga. But we are reading it, and by reading we don't get it. Therefore, with all my deep love, I have created institution with the help of all realized, devoted, many persons on this earth, that you come here and practice and enjoy that you are great and all are great. This Kriya Yoga Ashram Research Institute, Allahabad, is the complementary of Yoga Fellowship, Canada, and both are the complementary system of self-realization fellowship and Yogdamat. They may not be knowing it, and they may be having surprise to listen this, but in reality, if you do not understand lessons of self-realization fellowship, come here By sincere practice of 2 weeks, you will start understanding that what Yogananda has written clear and very correct. You can cure your diabetes, blood pressure, asthma, allergies, and any problem by practicing Kriya Yoga meditation. But I know that majority are not understanding Kriya Yoga lesson because they don't have real love with the Yogananda. When they read autobiography of Yogi, they leave Yogananda aside. They demonstrate more love to all those whom they do not know. Because of that, very difficult to understand self-realization fellowship. If you love Yogananda as a God, then you will understand it. I know you cannot love it because you have not learned the lesson how to love it. Therefore, come here and practice sincerely. Make this life full of joy, full of peace. I am very happy to convey this message to all of you that by sincere practice of Kriya Yoga meditation, you can solve all problems of the life smoothly. You will not have any hard work. You will have very smooth workshop to solve your problems. With this message, and I have confirmation that in this century, Kriya Yoga will spread very nicely everywhere in India. When it will spread in India, then automatically it will spread in all lands of the universe. India is the toughest place to spread correct spirituality because there are many layers of ignorance. They are standing in like a spiritual giant. In fact, they are not spiritual things, but they claim that all different kinds of the worships, that is the real worship, that is like toys of the children. The moment Kriya Yoga will spread in India, all political system will change, all bureaucracy will change, everything will change, and India will stand like divine mother of the all countries of the world. India will not demonstrate its muscle power to others. India will demonstrate that India is like a real mother of all countries of the world. Because of this purpose, I am in India. Otherwise, I prefer to become American and Canadian. Because there I have more acceptance of this and I have more connection there. I have real more love and they have so much deep connection, they have so much love for me and for Kriya Yoga, you cannot imagine, but my life is for India. If India is changed, then all those countries will be changed automatically. Therefore decide that from this Guru Purnima, you are going to make a big change in your life. You are going to practice Kriya Yoga meditation and I will give you simplest of simple practice. You can practice in lying position, in sitting position, in working position, in resting position, whatever profession you are doing, agriculture or business or anything, keep on doing that. It will not disturb your practice. Performing your duties in your life, you learn how to practice it, then you will demonstrate that while performing all activities, you can be realized master. This is for everything for today.